Hey, welcome to AI Friday, and today we're going to be working on some of the content for this new site we're building. And what I've decided is to create a site based on an SEO opinion that I've created over the years. And the truth is, I feel that SEO is a scam, and one of the best ways to get people's attention is to say something controversial. And while there's an entire industry of people that are out there doing SEO, and for websites, SEO is really how you would make your website show up at the top of Google search results. And so the concept there, it's search engine optimization, and the general concept is that you optimize your site. There's hundreds of little levers and pulleys and buttons that you push in order to optimize your site over somebody else's. And really what you're doing is you're trying to get Google to move you up the rankings so that you'll appear at the top of the results when someone puts in a what's called a keyword. And so that's the search phrase. So if you're looking for, let's say, an electrician in Santa Barbara, or an electrician in Los Angeles, you type in electrician, in Los Angeles, or Los Angeles electrician, or if you're in LA, you might say electrician near me. And so you'd be optimizing your site for that. So I've decided, since I've been doing this a long time, to create a controversial site to generate sales. And it's going to be based on my view that SEO is a scam. How do I know? Because I used to do it for 7 years before I figured out what people were doing. And then I fired them all. And I'm going to build a site that tells my story, and then I'm going to show people what I learned. They'll have an opportunity in this funnel that I'm building to pay $17, basically the price of a McDonald's meal, to learn the secret that I learned, actually to make a website number one, because I did it. I tested my theory. I actually had a customer that I was helping, and I proved my theory. I've got sites, many sites that are number one, all based on this concept, and I can share that with people for $17 instead of them having to pay $400 to $500 a month for 5 or 6 months before they ultimately fire the people that they hired. And that's usually what happens. So this site that I'm going to create, we're going to use ChatGPT in order to create a headline and in order to create some content. So I'm going to give a quick demo. We're actually using the new ChatGPT 4.0, which just came out, and it's the latest and greatest thing. It's supposed to be faster and speak different languages. We're going to be diving into that a lot more probably in coming weeks. So first, here we are with the ChatGPT prompt, and I'm going to just say, I'm creating a website that sells, basically, that tells my story about experiences selling SEO as an agency and why I believe it is a scam. I need some catchy headlines, such as is SEO a scam? I'm pretty sure, and here's why. So this is a cool prompt. We're just going to see what it says. Now, there it is. My journey through the scams, a deceptive game. The thing is, we want to use what are called softeners, because we don't want to, as much as we want to be polarizing to get attention, we want people to watch. We want to challenge people, because we're offering to give them a shortcut to 5 months worth of something expensive. So, but at the same time, it has to be soft enough that they don't just deny it right away when they see it. But look at this. We were able to get 10 headlines out of ChatGPT. We just looked through. I didn't even, this new version is really cool because I didn't even have to ask it for 10 headlines. Normally, normally we have to be very, much more specific. So this is really cool. SEO expose the truth behind the scam. I love that. That's a really great one. So tomorrow I'm going to be for Social Media Saturday. I'm going to be creating the videos that we're going to put on the website. On Sunday we're going to talk about the strategy. Monday is going to be we're going to talk about the marketing behind it as we actually build this thing out. So I hope you follow me. Come back and watch those videos, and I'll see you tomorrow as we discuss those in more detail. Thank you so much.